it's basically a screenplay about Italians, but not with the angle of drugs and but in milk, because they operated like the mafia, but in dairy farming.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And so the juxtaposition of like real like Italians doing those business dealings, but regarding cows and tractors, and it's too good to not write about. And my dad, it's like I'm doing it for my dad because he just loves that world and his family and never stops talking about it, and it needs to be on camera.
Yeah.
It really would make an incredible film.
Like paying homage to all of that.
Yeah, yeah.